Alright guys, it's RicaBreeck and we are going to play Cat Mario. Cat Mario is a very, very rage-horrific game.
Okay, is it just
Let him play this part.
WASD?
It, it's this. And this is jump. Yeah.
Damn it.
Alright, let's try this again.
COD. Good COD. Okay. No, I was jumping over it. I was jumping over it. Right? It glitched.
You can jump high though. Jump. Hold down, jump. Jump and run. See?
No. Are you
Okay, now you're just
kidding?
failing at a regular Mario game.
Just shut up. I haven't played Mario that much. Oh, wait. What? No. Ugh. This. No. How did I do that?
Let's turn the music up for you people.
No. No. What? I was not. What? I did not expect that to happen. Ugh. Better start over where I left off.
Yeah, it's a checkpoint.
No!
You gotta jump high. You're just like pressing the button.
I know,
really fast.
I know. No, god damn it. Okay, let me just. No. Oh. Are you kidding? There's no way out. There's no way out but here.
You have to fall down.
I can't.
You can. It's just a really small gap. Here.
Oh.
Do.
And all that work. Okay. No. No, not again. Oh my god. I hate this game.
You're not gonna be able to get out.
I hate this game. Shit. I'm sorry.
Alright, let me try this.
Just you
All right.
do it. Yeah.
I'll do it.
That'd be good. You.
Woo! No! Ah! Okay.
How did?
Woo!
Oh.
Ready? Jump! Ah! I messed up.
Darn.
I effed up. I'm at a serious game right now. No!
There you go.
Do 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 do. Do 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 do.
Okay, you
I can get past these guys. No. Oh my gosh, every time I try to outrun it, and I never do, and it's just like... I got this. 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 This is my final time I'm gonna try. That didn't even touch me! It's a liar, it's a hater, it's a cheater. I'm going to die! No! Doop, 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 doop.
No, how did you even...
Woo! Woo! Woo!
Wow.
That was amazing. That was the most amazing glitch ever. No! I was trying to dodge that. Bum ba da, bum ba da, bum ba da, bum. Everything wants you to die. 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 Just die. Oh! Done. I'm gonna kill this fucking bitch. You're a liar, a deceiver. Yeah, I saw that before. Selfie. Oh! Oh! Yes!
You made it.
Hallelujah.
After all that, finally level.
Okay. Okay. I'm totally done with this. I can't handle it anymore. And
It's a very rage-inducing game, and I just want to punch the computer and the stupid cat.
I just want to.
Stupid cat and the stupid.
Wait. Do you just want to punch the computer?
And
To
the stupid cat.
and the oh, okay.
All
Alright. This is Rica, and
this is Breeck.
And I am going to sign off. Goodbye, world, and goodbye, people. Leave a like and subscribe if you like this.